Hello, my name is Laura. I live in my van that I converted myself, and I travel with Snuffkin and my 2 guinea pigs. So why don't you join me on my adventures? Here on my channel, Destination Unknown. So I'm getting help from my brother to rebuild my shelves and add my TV. Yay! And we used an old cabinet that my mum was getting rid of to build the shelves out of. What are you doing? Hello guys, it is April 1st and I'm in Belgium on my way back to Sweden. Yeah, crossed the Eurotunnel last night, and now I'm in Belgium. It's Easter Monday, so nothing's open and everyone's like out walking. So this car park was like really busy, and yeah, I'm gonna move. I should know better because it has like free electric. Like obviously it's gonna be full. Everyone wants to use the electric. But I mean I got a space in on the end, but it's too sloping. Like I don't have any, like, what do you call them, chocks, and it's stones, so whenever someone drives it's like super loud. So whatever, I'm just gonna drive somewhere else, which is like next to this river which looks flat, and I wanna have a jog along there, which would be a really nice jog. So I'm trying to get back into my jogging. Like before I left Sweden in the van, I jogged like 5 kilometers a day. I really want to get back to it because I feel really unhealthy and crap basically. Like I don't move, and yeah, so it's hard like to keep healthy when you're traveling like this. But if I go park somewhere like that, I don't have an excuse unless it's raining. It has been raining, but we shall see. I don't know if I'll go tonight. It'll probably be tomorrow, like lunchtime, before we go tomorrow. Hopefully I'll check the weather, I guess, and that will decipher when I go, won't it? But yeah, we rebuilt this side of my shelves now with my brother. Now it matches. Got that side and that side, both with my nice wood that I got. Yeah, we managed to reuse it from the old shit shelves that we took out, like from here before. And now I have a TV. And I have a gaming setup, and I can connect it to the screen, and the screen comes down, and I can sit and play my computer games, my actual computer games in my van. Like, I'm so happy. That is literally all I go home for. I go home to play on my computer. Like, I'm a huge gamer, and ever since moving into the van, like, that has been my goal, to get my computer set up in the van, and there's no way I would be able to in this one. It's too small, and no way I'd have enough electricity. But this setup now, this thing, is basically a little portable computer. So yeah, I'll show you it properly when I'm set up later, and how it works and stuff. But yeah, now I can actually like sit and do what I want in my van. It's literally, I've got everything I want. And the pig's staring at me. Yes. So the place I wanted to go to, it looks lovely, and I got there, but I like had to go down these tiny roads, and then I think it's gonna get blocked off because there's like road closures everywhere. They're like retarmacking, and there's loads of like building stuff everywhere. It's basically a building site, So I feel like tomorrow when they're back working, it's gonna be like blocked. So I don't want to get stuck in there. So I drove in there and then turned around and went out. Yeah, and now I'm in somewhere else, like in the same area, but yeah, it's fine. It's like a nature reserve car park. So here's my setup. Obviously the screens come down on the arm that is modified to come down lower. We added this bit on. Let's turn it down a bit. Yeah, so that's all modified, and I just got a cable to tie these up, but they go back into the cupboard directly into my fuse box, and they're directly into all the stuff. So all I need to do is just like turn on the TV when I want it. And here is basically the PC like tower, because once that's plugged in to this, it wires it to the screen. And then I have my wireless keyboard and mouse. Yeah. So this is an old game from the 90s, Roller Coaster Tycoon 2. 2 is the best. And it's my comfort game. I love playing it. It's just nice to have on in the background when I'm like cooking or whatever. So yeah. There's my gaming setup. This is a Rogue Ally. R-O-G, Rogue Ally. Yeah, it's not a Switch, it's a Rogue Ally, and it's basically a Steam Deck for people that know computer stuff, like. But it does a lot more than that, because it's basically a PC. Like, I'm downloading shows on there right now, and I can stream, obviously, Netflix and everything. It's basically a PC. This is my Steam on here, as you can see. I got everything. Obviously only a few are installed on the ROG. But yeah, I've got access to my Steam library.